Okay, so I was asked how to do an ombre. So I'm in Photoshop and I'm gonna go to new, and then specifically if I wanted a bow, say 1 point, I'm just gonna set my background to whatever size I'm gonna do. Now, if it was for a tumbler, I would set it for that size. So here we go. And then I'm gonna unlock the background. Then I'm gonna right click, blending options, then gradient overlay. Then you can double click gradient overlay, click where the colors are, and you can change the colors. So let's do a green to blue. And you can play with the softness or heaviness of the colors. So I'm going to do a light green to like a baby blue. Okay, now I also have white in the middle. I could take the white out of the middle. And you can play by just dragging these around. If you wanted the blue closer. Okay. Then this is linear. So you'll see it goes in a line basically from blue to green. Now you could also do radial. That's what that looks like. Angle, reflected, or diamond. I use linear almost 100% of the time. You can also scale it up or down. Okay, so that doesn't give as soft as a gradient. So I usually leave it at 150%. Okay, you can play with opacity. I always leave mine at 100. So that way my colors are my colors. I hope that that makes sense and helps you out.